Welcome everyone. We are getting to the end of 2023. This year we unified all our content in Freepik. We added more than 10 million icons from Flaticon. We added more than 10 million vectors, illustrations and SVG files, more than 1 million videos from Vidivo, and we are currently integrating 39 million high-quality photos from the incredible collection in IM. We recently licensed images from Disney, allowing you to create customized birthday invitations, Christmas cards, or even a school planner. Everything that you need using the characters from Disney we all love. We recently rebranded Freepik, signaling an increase in our collection, tools, and ambitions. In the new logo, we miss Piki, our little robot, but he will be back on our website. Keep looking for it. In September, we inaugurated a new office in San Francisco that we want to use to engage with the local community. United States has been the fastest growing region for us, and it's today the largest region by subscribers. This office is an opportunity to get closer to our users. It's been the year of generative AI. We now allow contributors to monetize their AI creations in a new vertical. With over 40 million images, it's been the fastest growing section of Freepik ever. We also added new tools to help you create the perfect image when you can find it on Freepik. First of all, the text-to-image generator allows you to create fantastic images using a descriptive text. It's doing now close to 1 million images per day. And more recently, Pikaso, a new tool that allows you to go from a simple sketch to a final design. It's been viral on social media, it's super fun to use, and is now open to everyone. All of it, content and tools, are available under a single affordable subscription, and as always, with a generous free tier for those who cannot subscribe. You put the talent, we'll be here to help you create great designs faster than ever. Happy holidays, and see you in 2024.